Hello everyone, I'm Claudia and today I'm here to talk about Ocuprime, a leading vision support formula. In this video, I'll share some information about this product and help you decide if it's the right choice for you. In creating Ocuprime, we analyzed over 60 clinical studies to find the right ingredients to optimize eye health and vision, including night vision. So, all you need to do is try it. If you're still unsure, I understand, and to take the risk out of ordering, each bottle of Ocuprime comes with a full 60-day guarantee. Benefits of Ocuprime include a natural formula, plant-based ingredients, non-GMO, easy to swallow, no stimulants, and non-habit forming. To avoid any risks, buy from the official website. I'll leave the link in the video description to help you. If you're like many of our thousands of satisfied customers who want to enjoy excellent vision, we're confident you'll be pleasantly surprised. We recommend giving Ocuprime a fair chance so that all the potent ingredients can be activated and absorbed by your body. Once your body adapts to Ocuprime's potent ingredients, your eyes and vision will naturally begin to be supported. Everyone is different, so the time it takes to see results may vary. Most people start feeling a difference after the first week. I hope this video helped you. Thank you.